Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Ring device sharing and household access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Ring device sharing, start by opening the Ring app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. On the main dashboard, locate and tap the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. This will open the menu where you can find devices. Select devices to view a list of all your Ring devices. Choose the device for which you want to disable sharing. Once the device settings open, scroll down to find the Shared Users option. Tap on Shared Users to see a list of individuals who have access to your device. Identify the user you wish to remove. Tap on their name to open their settings. You will see an option that says Remove User. Select Remove User to revoke their access. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure the user is removed successfully. Next, to disable household access, return to the main menu. Navigate to Control Center from the options available. Find the Household section and tap on it. You will see a list of all household members who have access. Select the member you want to remove from the household. Tap on their name to view more options. Choose Remove from Household to proceed. Confirm your decision when prompted to complete the action. Once all necessary users have been removed, exit the settings. Your Ring device sharing and household access have now been disabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.